Question 17 is a frequency tree question. In my experience, students are pretty good at these questions, but let's have a look at it, just go through it so you have an example to fall back on. So 72 people did a test. So that is the total number of people. So the total always goes in this first bubble there. So that's the total, 72 people in total. 20 of the 32 adults who did the test passed. So this tells us we've got 32 adults in total. So let's put that in the adult column. And it tells us 20 of them passed. So 20 adults passed. So you can see all of the ones in this top one, they're all the adults. What we can then work out, so frequency trees always add up. So if we just circle these quickly. So the adults, the passed and the fails will add up to 32. Okay, which means pretty straightforward, we can work out. So 20 plus 12 would give us 32. So they expect you to be able to work that out then. And then we can work out, they don't actually tell us how many children there are in total, but we can work that out. So they say there are 72 people in total. So 32 plus something has to give me 72. So 32 plus 40 would give me 72. So I've worked out how many children there are. They say 6 of the children failed, so I'm going to put that in there. And then remember, again, these have got to add up. So we can then say this plus 6 has to give me 40. So that would have to be 34 plus 6 would give me 40. So there I filled in my frequency table. Really straightforward. You would just have to work through it like that, just keep track of the branches. And then they ask us a question based on this. So they say then, one of these people is picked at random. Find the probability that this person is an adult who failed the test. Okay, so what we do as probability is we look for this first. So adults who failed the test, let's check how many they were. So we go to the adult branch. Adults who failed is this one here. So there were 12 adults who failed the test. So that is always what we put at the top. So our probability is there's going to be 12 adults who failed out of how many in total? We said there were 72 people in total. And that is going to be our answer. With probability, you don't have to simplify, so you can just leave it as that. I hope this helped. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions.